I can remember one time, one of the young guys that I played football with, his dad had died, and he was being raised by his mother, and they lived in just a little shanty, and they didn't have money to buy the equipment. So my dad bought the equipment, and he and I snuck over there one evening because we didn't want to embarrass them. We left the stuff on the porch. Now, they actually caught us in the act, and his mom was so grateful for us, but these were the kind of things in the little town that I grew up in. You just kind of took care of your own. Life throws you curveballs a lot. We work with people who've had something that really has turned their lives upside down. We try to give them some encouragement as well as guidance along the path.
I felt my back get tight. By the time I got to my sixth stop, I couldn't walk. For somebody to tell me that you would never be able to drive again, my whole world was crushed. I just didn't know. What do I do? I called James. Things started going uphill again. But when we got in there, it was just like Jim was a shark. He ate him up. If it wasn't for me having an attorney, I would have given up by now. James had given me so much confidence that I took no for an answer no more. That's my guy, man. He's just like, he's like the best, man. He's really good at what he does.
I don't know what you've ever heard about workers' comp, but these people are not welfare bums. They're not trying to live off the system. They're not going to get rich on workers' compensation. They want to get fixed and get back to work.
I was injured at work. I was taking door panels off of a conveyor, and I herniated 3 discs. My perception of my employer after that happened was I was disappointed. I felt like I was a criminal and maybe that I had done something wrong. I didn't feel like I was being helped. I found Jim Monast, and they were there to help me. My favorite thing about this firm is Jim and Wilma. I see them as my family. I don't want to cry, but they're like my family. I love them. They're great people.
What we promise to you at Monast Law is to listen to you, to give you advice as to how to move forward with your life, to tell you what your options are, and to know that you can move on from here.